Let's start our journey into geometry right from the beginning. What is geometry? Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, positions, angles, and dimensions of things. Simply put, it's the math of shapes and space. The word geometry comes from the Greek words geo, meaning earth, and metron, meaning measurement. Ancient civilizations used it for practical purposes like building, surveying land, and astronomy. Everything in geometry is built upon a few fundamental concepts. These are often called undefined terms because we don't formally define them, but rather understand them intuitively. First, a point. A point represents a specific location in space. It has no size, no length, no width, no height. It's just a position. We usually represent a point with a small dot and name it with a capital letter. Second, a line. A line is a straight path that extends infinitely in both directions. It has length, but no width or thickness. It's one-dimensional. Any two distinct points define a unique line. We represent a line with arrows on both ends to show it goes on forever. We can name it using 2 points on the line or sometimes with a single lowercase letter. Third, a plane. A plane is a flat surface that extends infinitely in all directions. It has length and width, but no thickness. It's two-dimensional. Think of it like an infinitely large sheet of paper. Any 3 points, not on the same line, define a unique plane. We name it by a capital script letter or by 3 non-collinear points on the plane. Now, let's look at some related concepts. First, a line segment. A line segment is a part of a line that consists of 2 specific points, called endpoints, and all the points between them. We name it by its endpoints. It has a definite length. Next, a ray. A ray is a part of a line that starts at a specific point called the endpoint and extends infinitely in one direction. We name it starting with the endpoint. Now, let's talk about collinear points. Collinear points are points that all lie on the same line. Finally, coplanar points. Coplanar points are points that all lie on the same plane. These basic elements, points, lines, and planes, are the foundation upon which all other geometric figures and concepts are built.